How to use 401k to buy house. Are you a first-time homebuyer looking for ways to afford a down payment? Or are you a seasoned homeowner looking to upgrade your living situation? Whatever your situation may be, using your 401k to buy a house can be a viable option. However, it is important to understand the rules and regulations surrounding 401k withdrawals in order to avoid any penalties. What is 401k? A 401k plan is a retirement savings plan sponsored by an employer. It lets workers save and invest a piece of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. Employers may offer to match a certain percentage of the employee's contributions. Earnings in the account are not taxed until the money is withdrawn. The name 401k comes from the section of the tax code that governs these types of plans. Can I use my 401k to buy a house? It is possible to use funds from a 401k plan to buy a house, but there are certain rules and restrictions that apply. Here are the steps you would take to use a 401k loan or hardship withdrawal to buy a home. 1. Check the rules of your 401k plan. 2. Meet the requirements for a hardship withdrawal. 3. Submit a request to your plan administrator. 4. Repay the loan or pay taxes and penalties on the withdrawal. It's important to keep in mind that using your 401k funds to buy a home can have a significant impact on your retirement savings. So, it is a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before proceeding. There are several alternatives to using your 401k to buy a house, including 1. Saving for a down payment. 2. FHA loan. 3. VA loan. 4. Conventional loan. 5. Rent-to-own. 6. Home equity loan. Ultimately, the best option for you will depend on your personal financial situation and the specific terms of your 401k plan. Is it worth using your 401k to buy a house? Using your 401k to buy a house is generally not recommended, as there are significant penalties and taxes associated with withdrawing funds from your 401k before retirement age. Additionally, taking money out of your 401k can set back your retirement savings significantly.